Hello everyone, welcome to Indian School of Physics, guys. This is Nitin here. So finally the day has come. You all have been waiting for a long time for this INSP plus INSC crash course, as many of you have been requesting for the launch of this course. So I was busy in setting the chemistry thing. So finally it's a reality now, and today I'm going to give you the brief of physics champs crash course and chemistry champs crash course for JEE Advance. So let me give the details of first physics part. So in this crash course, it will start from February 6th, and everyone will have the access of long courses of 11th and 12th detailed courses. So suppose if any one topic or some subtopics are weak for you, so you can complete those topics along with the last year's champs batch access will be given to you, and on every subtopic you'll get assignments and the solutions of that, and you'll have access of my books, INSP COP concepts of physics books, and the kind of response these books are getting, it is truly unmatchable study material for your preparation and will give you a huge advantage, especially when it will come to JEE Advanced. And along with that, you will have access of entire question bank where you can create your own set of papers. You can vary the difficulty level, easy paper, tough paper, moderate paper. You can mix different level of question. You can mix topics. You can, solve questions from any subtopic as well. So here you will have access of 100 self-created advanced and mains test. Again, this number is if you are able to write 100 exams, then let me know. I will increase the number for you. See, the purpose here is to allow you to solve as many possible. And there will be 35 plus live revision classes before JEE Advanced. And these classes will be 2 hours each, completely focused on JEE Advanced. It's a schedule I will release on YouTube and Telegram, and as well as on WhatsApp. This time we will have INSP grand test. It will happen in all three subjects, PCM. Okay, so you get a better idea of your performance and everything. So this will be there in for all three subjects. For physics, I'll be making the paper. For chemistry sir will be making the paper, and for maths, I'll take help of some of my faculty friends. And yes, registration will open on 30th Jan, that is today, and it will close by 28th of Feb. So like how we did in earlier champs, we have closed the registrations. So beyond a point, we will not take admissions. So the main idea is to have a limited number of seats. And duration is February 2025 to May 2025. So it will be available till your JEE Advanced exam. And guys, trust me, physics will never be the same again. This is my motto, and I have been working on the same thing. So those who are with us, they know the kind of work is going on physics. Well, now it comes to chemistry. So INSP Champs Chemistry. This JEE Advance 2025 crash course, it will start on February 10th, 2025, and it will be conducted by Mr. Devyas Dikshit. He is my friend also, and we were in same coaching during our JEE days, and we worked together in FITG Chennai. We were handling the top batches in FITG Chennai. Then sir moved to Kota. His native is Kanpur, so he worked with another coaching in Kanpur, and yes, 17 years of experience of teaching all three parts of chemistry. Now, when I decided to build INSC, Indian School of Chemistry, as well as Indian School of Maths, so it was very important to have one person who is equally skilled in all three parts of the chemistry. And sir's uniqueness is he creates very new type of problems in chemistry by mixing concepts of organic chemistry, inorganic chemistry, and physical chemistry. Normally, it is very difficult for teachers also. The reason being, most of the teachers in chemistry are the part wise. Either they will be teaching organic, or they will be teaching inorganic, or they'll be teaching physical. So for us, it was very important to have someone who is equally skilled in all three parts. And the kind of physics input you get at INSP, the similar type of input you will be getting in INSC also. And sir will be co-founding Indian School of Chemistry, and we are planning to develop INSC on a similar level to INSP for Foundation Olympiad, JEE Mains, JEE Advanced, NACP, and INCHO. In chemistry also, we will have 35 plus revision, live revision classes, and 2 hours each. Its schedule will be released soon. So it will include grant test, GTs, and on all three subjects, as I have mentioned, subtopic wise assignments with the solution. Right now in chemistry, we don't have concepts of chemistry, but it is going to be developed, and but it will not be available for this crash course. So let me tell you this. And similarly, we will be giving you the chemistry problems of solving purpose, but you'll not be able to create your own exams like how you'll be able to do in physics, because it is going to be developed soon. So maybe next year students will be enjoying all those facilities at INSP. For this also, registration will open today, and it will close by 28 Feb. Limited number of people for better discussions, better output. Now the fee part. Here you will have option of taking only physics, or you can take combined physics plus chemistry together. So as you have requested, sir, to keep relatively lower prices, so here the early bird offer is 699, and on top of that you will get 10% off by using this code flat10, or you can use a student's code also. So further 10% will be reduced from this. Okay. Below that, it becomes very difficult for us to operate. If you check in the coaching Mandi, I think all good crash courses will have a higher fees than this. So I hope you'll understand for this part. And where I could do more for you, it is INSP Champs Physics plus Chemistry. And for the combined crash course, this fees is 899 9 INR, including 18% GST. So on top of that, further you can get off by flat 10, or you can use any student's code for further 10% off. All right, now this physics part is for existing INSP students. Champs will be by default part of their curriculum, so they don't need to upgrade anything for the physics part. You will have the access of it, everyone who is present on the video portal. Similarly, for the chemistry, the existing INSP students of video courses, video portal, they can upgrade their chemistry crash course with the additional amount of 399 INR. So this is it, and the course is live now by the time you'll see. So when you go to the Indian School of Physics website, INSP website, and you go to the premium section, on top of that, for crash course you will get these two subscriptions. So you can make the purchases here, and yes, don't forget to use the code flat10, or the student, your friend who has recommended you, his code you can use. So that's it, guys. I hope things are very clear, and as I have promised, it took some time in finding the right people, but yes, the journey of INSC has started. It was a long pending demand of all the kids who are associated with me. We started INSP back in 2022. Since then, it was a request that, but I have very limited resources, and it's a little difficult to build a platform of this magnitude. And yes, so we have our own limitations, and but sooner or later we'll develop for maths also. That is also long pending demand. It will be fulfilled. So that's it, guys. I hope you have gone through the video carefully. So see you soon in the courses. Thank you. Thanks for watching it.